Four-wheel drive capability in a golf car. Powerful, capable, and quiet. Introducing the all-new Discovery four-wheel drive motor kit for electric golf cars by SilverWolf. Expand your frontier with front-wheel electric motors that turn your golf car into a fully capable all-terrain vehicle. Confidently and comfortably climb hills, ford water, and overcome obstacles by combining the power of a UTV with the simplicity of an electric golf car. The SilverWolf four-wheel drive motor kit upgrades your electric golf car using direct drive electric motors that bolt right on. This simple do-it-yourself or dealer upgrade boosts the capabilities of any golf car to handle rough off-road trails, soft sandy terrain, and wet muddy conditions with carefree power that takes you where you want to go. SilverWolf adds low-end torque to your car for impressive pulling power and traction capable of overcoming steep grades. In fact, SilverWolf electric motors give you full four-wheel drive power in both forward and reverse directions. Performance isn't only about power though. With SilverWolf, you also have full front-wheel anti-lock braking for greater safety, as well as regenerative braking that increases your vehicle's electric range. Also included is the useful SilverWolf app, featuring heads-up visibility for the driver to monitor vehicle performance, including vehicle speed, battery levels, power, and more. By connecting directly to the suspension, the bolt-on installation of the SilverWolf Discovery four-wheel drive motor kit only takes a few hours, with easy step-by-step instructions, including a helpful video tutorial. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty, SilverWolf Discovery four-wheel drive motor kits are a reliable way to add performance and power to your travels. Push your adventures farther. Reach the ends of your property and move without making a sound. UTV capability, golf cart simplicity. The Discovery four-wheel drive electric motor kit by SilverWolf.